Rad Nah, Mee Katang, you want the pork to be very, very soft. The gravy is so good. My noodles, you can cut it to your desired size, and I have it seared with some dark soy sauce already. I love to eat spicy too, so I put some chili powder. And you can control the amount you want. And the pork's been velveted with eggs, so I'm gonna get the noodle. I wish I had the wide noodle, but it's the same thing. Use whatever kind of noodle. It's spicy hot. Right here I got the broccoli velveted pork, so it's gonna be very soft. Rad Nah, you want the pork to be very, very soft. The gravy is so good. Sure. And you can make like a pepper vinegar with this. Maybe like more of a tang. Gravy is so thick. Noodles are pan fried. I've never had it. It's sweet, savory with a perfect amount of saltiness. A little bit of everything. It's like a collision of flavor. I'm creating a perfect bite right here. I have the gailan, Chinese broccoli, which is buttery. And I have my shrimp, nice and plump. And then my noodles, and I have dried pepper on there. Let me take a bite. Oh, the shrimp's so good. And my noodles. That gravy is hanging onto it. And then you're gonna get a little crunch from the gailan. So good. That pork flavor. I wish I had the wide noodle, but hey, this is actually really good. Like a lot of dry pepper. Get the pepper strands on the noodle and gravy. For those who never had this, you gotta try it. That gravy is so savory. It's thick, it's comforting, and you love noodles, you will slurp on this. The noodles are chewy, bouncy. The noodles are usually made with the wide noodles, which is pan seared, and it's like so delicious. But I wasn't able to, they didn't have anything at the Asian supermarket, so I just got the rice noodle. I velveted the meat, so it was so tender.